Question 7. This question is of from functions. The function f is defined by fx is equal to 2 minus 5 over x plus 2 for x is greater than minus 2. X is greater than minus 2 is the domain of this function. State the range of function. So for any value, if we put any value in this function that is greater than minus 2, for example, we put in place of x greater than minus 2, we are taking x is equal to 1. We are taking x is equal to 1. When we put in this function this value of x, we get fx is equal to 2 minus 5 over putting the value of x that is 1, we get 5 over 3. After simplifying, we get 6 minus 5, that is 1 over 3. So clearly this 1 over 3 is greater than 2. Greater than 2. So we can say that for any value that is greater than minus 2, when we will put here in this function fx, we always get the as a whole the value of fx less than 2, because we are subtracting something from 2. 2 minus something always less than or equal to less than 2. So for any value that is greater than minus 2, when we will put here, we always get the value of fx less than 2. So range of function, range of f will be fx less than 2. Next part B of this question is obtain an expression for f inverse x and state the domain of f inverse. To find, first we will find f inverse x. We have fx, function of x is equal to 2 minus 5 over x plus 2. Put y is fx is equal to y. So this becomes y is equal to 2 minus 5 over x plus 2. From this equation, we will make x the subject. So for this purpose, first of all, we will simplify it. We can write it 5 over x plus 2 is equal to 2 minus y. Now this equation can be written as by cross multiplying process. We can write 5 over 2 minus y is equal to x plus 2. Now we have to make x the subject. X will be 5 over 2 minus y minus 2. Now we simplify it. These are two fractions. Taking LCM, we can write it as x is equal to 5 over 5 minus 2 into 2 minus y over 2 minus y LCM process. Now simplifying it, x is equal to 5 minus 4 plus 2y over 2 minus y, x is equal to 2y plus 1 over 2 minus y. Now f inverse x will be replace this y by x. So this will be equal to 2x plus 1 over 2 minus x. This is f inverse x. 2x plus 1 over 2 minus x. Now we have to state the domain of f inverse x. So we know that domain of f inverse x is equal to a range of function. Range of function. So range of function we have already found, that is fx is less than 2. The same will be the domain of f inverse. So we can write that domain of f inverse will be x is less than 2, because the range of the function is fx is less than 2. So the domain of f inverse will be same. We will write x is less than 2, which is the domain of f inverse. X is less than 2. Now next part C. The function g is defined by gx is equal to x plus 3. This is another function gx. Gx is equal to x plus 3 for x is greater than 0. This is the domain of gx. Obtain an expression for fgx giving your answer in the form ax plus b over cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are constants or integers. A, B, C and D are integers. We have to find fgx, composition of two functions fx and gx. So first we write the both functions. Gx is given x plus 3 and fx is equal to 2 minus 5 over x plus 2. Now we have to find fgx. fgx. So fgx will be fgx. First we will put the value of gx, which is x plus 3 here. This become f gx putting the value of gx, which is x plus 3 here, we get f into x plus 3. Now we will compare the function fx with this function. Clearly, in place of x, now it is x plus 3. In the right hand side, we replace x by x plus 3 by comparing fx and fx plus 3. If there is x, so in the right hand side there is x. If here in within bracket x plus 3, then we can replace this x by x plus 3. So this become 2 minus 5 over x plus 3 plus 2. So simplifying it, we get f g x is equal to 2 minus 5 over x plus 5 LCM process. 2 into x plus 5 minus 5 over x plus 5. Further simplifying, f g x will be 2x plus 10 minus 5 over x plus 5. Finally, we get f g x is equal to 2x plus 5 over x plus 5. This is f g x, composition of function f and g. That is f g x equal to 2x plus 5 over x plus 5.